Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi students, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's topic is factorization and we will try to solve part E, question number 3 and exercise is 1A. Let's start it. In the first step, we'll simply rewrite the question 6x square plus x minus 2 over x square plus 7x plus 4 equal to 0, and you will multiply it with x square plus 7x plus 4 on both sides. What will happen? This all will cancel away and you are left with 6x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. The right side will become 0 after multiplying with 0. Now you can factorize this and it will reduce to x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0, and it will become, after taking common 2x as common, you are left with 3x plus 2, and here minus 1 is common, 3x plus 2 will remain inside the brackets. Now you can take 3x plus 2 as common and you are left with 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now either 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. On simplification, you will get 3x is equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 2 over 3, and on the right side you will get 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the solution for this part. Now we go for the next part. Now we will solve this question in the same fashion as we did it in our previous part. We'll rewrite it 2x square plus 9x minus 5 over x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply it with x power 4 plus 1 on both sides, and this will cancel away and you are left with 2x square plus 9x minus 5 equal to 0. Now you can factorize it by midterm breaking. 2x square plus 10x minus x minus 5 equal to 0. 2x will be common and you are left with x plus 5, and you will take minus 1 as common and x plus 5 is the remainder. Now you can take x plus 5 as common again and you are left with 2x minus 1 equal to 0. At this stage you can split it into two parts, and either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Left side will give you x is equal to minus 5 and right side will be 2x equal 1 and x equal 1 over 2. Hope to see you soon with the next video. Thank you.